We found median of this data. Now let us find mean of this data. To find the mean, we have to find the mid value of the class intervals. So mid value is denoted by xi. So let us find what is xi. xi. So to get xi, already we know it. 60, these class intervals should, average of this we have to take 65 plus 85, this gives you 150. 150 by 2, that is 75. We have to take the average of these two, then we will get the mid value. In the same way, this is 105 plus 85, that is 190. 190 by 2, that is 95. Now here 105 plus 125. 125 plus 5 is 130 plus 100, 230. 230 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Okay. In this way, we have to find the mid values. Okay. So, if we observe this, 75 plus 20 is 95. 95 plus 20, okay, that will give you this. Okay, as the class intervals are equal, we can add 20 to them. Okay, so this will be 135 and this will be 155 and this will be 175, the mid value of this, and this will be 195. Okay, 185 plus 5 is 190, 190 plus 200 is 390. 390 by 2. Average of these two. So 2 ones are 2 nines are 18, 2 fives are 195. In this way, we will get the mid values. To get the mid value, we have to take the average of class intervals. Okay. Now, we have to take one of these observation as A. Assumed mean method. I am showing you this with assumed mean method. Okay. If we suppose this as A, now we have to find Ui. Ui is xi minus A by class interval. This we have to calculate now. Okay. So, here xi is 75. A is 135. We can suppose A anywhere. Okay. So, I suppose this as here 135 as A. So, xi is all the values and A is the suppose assumed value. So, 75 minus 135. 75 minus 135 by 20. This one. Okay. So, this will give you minus 60 by 20. 21s are 23s are. So, this we have to write minus 3. Simply we will put here 0 and this is minus 2 and this is minus 1 and also here xi minus A. Xi is 155. Okay. Xi is 155 and minus A. 155 minus A is 135. 135 by class interval is 20. So this is 20 by 20. That you will get 1. So positive 1 here. And this will be 2 and this will be 3. If you do the problem also, you will get the values like this only. Now we have to Ui we found. Now we have to xi ui. Fi ui. We have to find Fi ui. To get Fi ui, we have to multiply Fi. This one is F. So F into ui. So this will give you minus 12. And here this is minus 6. This one is minus 13. And here 20 into 0 is 0. 14 into 1. Fi is 14, ui is 1. So 14 ones are 14. This one is 8 twos are 16. And here 4 threes are 12. Okay. This plus 12 and minus 12 will get cancelled. So this total will get minus 19. And here this is 13. So sigma Fi ui be 30 minus 19. That is 11. That is L. Okay. Now we have got the values. So we have to apply this in the formula so that we can calculate the mean. We have formula to find the mean. Mean is denoted by x bar. X bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. So we will substitute the values in this. A is 135 plus sigma Fi ui is 11 and sigma Fi, this is sigma Fi, 68 into class interval 20. Okay, so 135 plus this I can 4 5s are 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So this is 55 by 70. I can simplify this. 135 plus 3.2. So this is 138.2. Up to 1 decimal I have taken. Okay. This is the mean of this data. Okay. In this way we have to calculate the mean. Now we have calculated median and mean for this. Now let us see mode and after that we will compare them. Okay.